It's the superstorms bringing nations to their knees. The searing sun turning the earth into a tinderbox, leaving the ground cracked by drought, and the crashing waves of rising seas. But it seems this extreme weather isn't random. A UN report says this is climate change, and things are only going to get worse.
We have reasons to believe that if the world doesn't do anything about mitigating the emissions of greenhouse gases, and the extent of climate change continues to increase, then the very social stability of human systems could be at stake.
Today's report is sombre reading. Rising temperatures and changing weather could mean more crops fail, so food is scarce. Wildlife will face extinction. Rising sea levels could make water undrinkable, with flooding forcing millions from their homes. And the threat of war will rise as people fight for resources. For some, the recent flooding in the UK is also a consequence. It's led to calls by the former Archbishop of Canterbury and the Energy Secretary to act now. But can wild weather really be blamed on humans?
We can no longer plead ignorance. 30 years ago, the previous generation maybe was damaging our atmosphere, the earth, out of ignorance. Now ignorance is no longer a good excuse. We know.
After years of polluting and burning, today's warning is stark. It's time to slow down and clean up if we want the world to keep up. Siobhan Robbins, Sky News.